Hi everyone, this is Road Actor Suparna from Rotary Club of Kochi Mahanagar. Today I'm going to discuss about a topic which is very relevant in today's time. It's nothing but social media. Social media has touched every aspect of our life. Whether it is personal, professional, political, whatever it has created a great influence in everyone's life. So before moving into this topic, we have to understand what exactly is social media. We all know media is an instrument of communication. Just like that, social media is a social instrument of communication. So, according to me, what I believe is that social media is something which helps us to share information, ideas, knowledge, and it is giving an opportunity to people to connect with lot of people across the globe. So, as everything in this world has positive as well as negative, social media also has its own positives as well as negatives. So, we have to understand both while we use it. And social media, when we talk about social media, nowadays people are getting too much addicted into social medias. Every day morning when we wake up, the first thing which we touch will be our mobile phone. We are not even able to live without it because we are too much addicted to it, and we have to check our WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages. So just like that, many people are really addicted to this social media. And in USA and all, there are internet addiction rehabilitation centers coming up. Even in India also, in few years, this will be the same case because every day everyone is really, like I should say, they're really mad about this social medias. Yes, I won't say that it's completely bad because social media is giving them a lot of good information. It's giving a lot of positive outcomes for people. Even during this corona issues, corona, like all these times, we know that people are learning a lot of things from social medias. They are able to generate ideas, they are able to create awareness to people. All these things are really good, no? This is good for our society also. But sometimes we are not using it for good things. Rather than that, we are going behind all those negative side. So that's where the problem comes. And some of my friends, what they used to say is that, please, Suparna, you please check out their profile. They're so happy, they're traveling a lot, they're eating good food, they're spending their life in a very positive way. My life is so bad. Every time problems are only happening in my life. It's not like that. What I want to say to everyone is that social media is a platform where everyone is and share all our problems. It's not like that. Most of the people, they want to share their good things in social media. They want to show it in front of everyone, no? So you don't have to get depressed by seeing the life of others. Everyone in this world has positives as well as negatives in their life, happiness as well as sad things happening in their life. So you have to understand this thing. And you don't have to like you have to prioritize things. I should say, I want to say that you can use the social medias just for 5 or maybe 5 to 15 minutes in a day. But we'll spend this 5 to 15 minutes with our family, and again all the rest, all the hours, we'll spend our time in the social media. That is the main problem we are getting. And we human beings are really attracted to all those negative things, negative informations. So whenever we see this WhatsApp and all, you can see a lot of fake messages. There are people who spread all these unwanted messages, fake messages. So you don't have to, social media is not something which we can trust completely. And social media, uh, it should be a platform where we are able to spread positivity, spread good ideas. If you have some issues with other person, or if two people have some issues with them, uh, the first place they will go and approach will be the social media. It should not be like that. As a human being, you should know how to filter things. because filtration is something very important in our life. We have to adopt it. Actually, we have to understand this is the positive things, these are the negative things. I just want positive things in my life. You have to understand all those things. And if I'm taking college students as an example, every college student will be having a college WhatsApp group, their batch group and all, no? They'll be sharing study materials in that, they'll be sharing all those exam details, everything. So for such a student, we can't say that you should not use this social media because this is not good for you. No, we can't say that. But there are some other groups where people will be sharing all those porn videos, unwanted things, everything, no? So that time it is going to create bad thing for you. So you should be able to filter which is good for you, which is bad for you. Then only it will create a good impact in your life. So whether you like it or not, social media is something which will grow in our in this life. And social media, as people are willing to learn, as people are willing to share ideas, as people are willing to comment, obviously this is something which is going to grow. And it's we people who have to adopt social media in a very positive way. That's it. Thank you.